Are you looking to take your online store to the next level? If you're wondering whether switching from Volusion to Magento is the right move, you're in the right place. We'll explore how migrating to Magento can open up new possibilities for your business, from enhancing scalability to boosting SEO. Why switch to Magento? Magento offers enhanced flexibility, scalability, and performance, making it ideal for growing businesses. It allows for extensive customization, supports global sales, and offers strong SEO capabilities. Let's talk about how you can migrate. First up, make sure your current Volusion store is all backed up. Always good to play it safe, right? Then, get your Magento store ready. Pick a hosting provider, install Magento, and tweak those initial settings like how you'll handle payments and shipping. Next, decide what you want to move over. This usually means products, customer details, and past orders. Get that data ready in the format Magento likes to keep things smooth. Now, bring all that data over to Magento using its import tools, or maybe a handy migration extension. Once everything's in place, customize your store to suit your needs and give it a thorough test to make sure everything works just as expected. Choosing the right help can make a big difference. Here are some top migration services. Lid Extension is great for an automated, hands-off approach with awesome support whenever you need it. Cart 2. Cart is flexible and budget-friendly, perfect for any business size. Magento IT. Solutions tailors the migration to fit exactly what you need, especially if you want some custom work done. MGT-COMMERCE focus on making sure you don't lose any SEO juice during the move. Besides just moving your data, Tigran can totally revamp your store's look and optimize its performance. Migrating from Volusion to Magento can significantly enhance your store's capabilities. By choosing the right migration service, you ensure a seamless transition with minimal downtime. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more insights, and share this video to help others on their e-commerce journey. Don't forget, the right migration service is key to a smooth upgrade. Thanks for watching.